Hey guys, Dr. Sam with Newton Chiropractic, and this week's video is part 2 in my anterior knee pain or pain on the front of your knee self-treatment video series. Now in part 1 we discussed the quadricep muscle, one of the first muscles or structures that I check in a patient that comes in with anterior knee pain. Now the quadricep muscle actually is 4 muscles that makes up the bulk of the muscle on the front of your thigh right here. It helps you flex the hip but also extend the knee. Whenever this muscle gets tight from excessive sitting or quad-based exercises, it can refer pain into the front of the knee like that. And so step 1 in self-treating this muscle is mobilizing it using a foam roller, and we did that last week. This week I'm going to show you how to properly stretch that muscle, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Alright guys, to properly stretch the quadricep muscle, first we want to get in the lunge position like this. We want to lean forward like this, which will stretch that proximal part of our quadricep muscle right through here. Then we want to attach a small belt to our ankle, pull forward like this, and lunge, and you should feel a good stretch throughout your entire quadricep muscle. Alright guys, that's how you properly stretch the quadricep muscle, common cause of anterior knee pain or pain on the front of your knee. Hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please hit like and share on this video. If you haven't been over to our Facebook page, head on over there, hit like on that, and watch out for our weekly videos on health tips, exercises, and stretches. And of course, if I can help you out, please give my clinic a call, Newton Chiropractic Clinic here in Newton, Kansas. Thanks.